Hello everybody, coming to you to talk about this cute little card that I made using the inspiration card from Dawn's Stamping Thoughts, her YouTube channel. She had this cute little card with this fun fold to it, and I thought it was just so cute. So I used her idea, her design and stuff, and I did all the stamping and added the sentiment and stuff and colored the little centers of the flowers in with Wink of Stella. And I think it came out so cute. But I did my version of her design, and my version looks like this. And I think it came out so cute. So it's the same concept, just a different design. So the sentiment is on this side, so you have room to write a message out and things like this. So, same card, well, similar card, just an improvement. So in order to make my card, you need these pieces. One piece of cardstock measured 5.5 by 4 1/4. One white piece measured 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. Another coordinating cardstock, which is 4 by 3. The original cardstock color, 4 by 2 1/2. And then the coordinating paper, cardstock paper, 5 1/4. And then a DSP. That is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Then you have the handle, which is 4 1/2 by 1 3/4, and then its mat, 3 7/8 by 1 5/8, and then the sentiment that went on the front is 3 3/4 by 2 1/4, and those measurements get you this card when you put it together. If you want to watch me put it together, by all means, put a comment below and I'll do a video showing you how to assemble. But I think he came out so cute. Thanks for watching.